Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video is about beautiful vanity decor ideas and how to keep your vanity beautiful and clean, and ideas of extremely beautiful vanity. Now, for girls, I know how important makeup is, and even for fashion enthusiasts and makeup enthusiast girl, vanity is the most favorite part of the home. This is the most decent vanity. Look how clean and beautiful it looks. To have a very clean and beautiful vanity, you have to keep everything in separate places so that it does not clutter really very much, and you can have an idea where you have kept what thing, and it can be really handy. Now, there must be separate sections for everything, as for perfumes, makeup palettes, lipsticks, nail polishes, blushes, all together. They should be into different drawers, whilst necklace, earrings, headbands should be up on the table or at a beautiful rack. And the mirror should include lights. Why lights? Because it can have the perfect light on your face whilst you would look into the mirror, and you can identify how perfect and flawless your makeup is. Light is the most important part of your vanity. The perfect lighting is the perfect your makeup will be. Now, Chanel is there on vanity table, and I'm all set and I'm all done, because Chanel is my favorite most brand. Which brand do you love? Let me know in the comment box below. Chanel's perfume, I'm a huge fan of it. Which brand are you fan of? Let me know down in the comment box below. And guys, look how well lighted is this, so that the warm light and the blue light filter both can have a perfect exposure into the face of you, and you can get the perfect flawless makeup look. And guys, your table, your vanity table, should be perfectly clean and clear of everything. The moment you pick something, remember to keep it at its place, so that you don't have to reminisce each and everything and be like, where is it? So try to have a clean and clear vanity table. So guys, if you're enjoying watching my videos, a suggestion to you is I also have my Instagram page. I'm also on Pinterest and Twitter. Links are in the description box. You can follow me there. I'm also on website. You can follow me there as well. And I'm grateful to you viewers for loving me so much, supporting my videos. And please share this video with your friends and family. Share my channel so that I can bring to you even more videos and upload according to your suggestions. Now look at this decent vanity table with beautiful chair. These racks really represent the perfect vanity table. Everything beautifully in different parts and sections. If you loved watching this, hit the subscribe button. Beside that, hit the notification bell so that whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be notified for more such. Stick on. Thanks for watching.